We are assembling the football mason jar. So I've got all my pieces laid out. And I'm going to start by working on my panels. This is just like the baseball jar, if you've already seen that one. And this piece fits right to where, whoopsie, just before the curve starts to go, okay? That's where it fits the best. And that will leave you enough room to put your ties, your football tie, on. So just the top of this goes just to where the curve starts. Oh, your laces, these are laces. There we go. Super duper simple. Now do the back. We're going to do it the same way. Of course we are. Why would we do it different? These would be so cute on a table, holding like your silverware. Roll your napkins around your silverware, put them in these little boxes on your table. It would be really cute. They make great party favors. Fun for a Super Bowl party. Okay, we can go ahead and put this little tag together. My fingers are all gluey, so everything's sticking. There we go. So that's our tag. And I'm going to go ahead and put the jar lid on. I did only cut one jar lid. I don't know why, but that's all I cut. So I don't have one for the back. There we go. And now I'm going to start gluing the box together. So I'm going to go ahead and put glue on all 3 tabs. kind of line it up to the bottom there, and everything falls right into place. Last time I think I glued this other side first. Now, because of the way everything's falling, I need to put glue on everything all at one time. But looks like it's going to be okay. There we go. Press down all your tabs on the inside. Okay, well, that turned out better than I thought. And then let's go ahead and get our panels on. And you're going to do these by lining up this curved edge here on the top, because the bottom is squared off. There we are. Do the same to the back. We're going to use a pipe cleaner for the handle. Now, if you were just going to use these like to put silverware or something in, you could not put the handle on. And last but not least, we are going to add our tag with some trendy twine here. I've got cherry latte. Let me put my pin in my bottle before I ruin another tip. Okay. I love having some options, even if it is mostly sports, that people think of for boys. There we go. Trim off my excess. And there is my mason jar football. Thank you for joining me.